All right, YouTube, 16 Fogger back with another freaking exciting video. Man cooking video. Son of a bitch, it's been a while. All right, I got a hair up my ass here today. I'm going to do slow cook. These are chicken breasts, frozen, right out of the pack. I'm going to slow cook them, see how it turns out. I'm going to do it on my grill, about 270 degrees. I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. We'll see. See what the temperature gets. But on the bottom side, I put some of the Sylvia's chicken rub on the bottom, and then top the bottom off with some Sweet Baby Ray's hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce. Then I flipped it over, blam, on the parchment paper, and did the same thing to the top side. So now what I'm going to do is wrap this parchment paper up around it. And then I'm going to wrap the whole thing in tin foil. I just want to keep the chicken off the tin foil. So, let's see why I say it. And then, so we'll be outside getting on the grill there in a few minutes. So, like I say, it's nice frozen. So, we'll see how it turns out. Be back in a minute there, bitches. Okay, out here on the grill. I'm going to put it on the front of the grill. I'm only going to have the back burner going. This is an old natural gas grill I got there. Somebody was throwing it out for free, and I converted it over to propane. So I'm just going to run the back burner. I already know if I keep it right about right there, that'll give me about 270 degrees in the grill. So, but I got to fire up the first one first. So let's do that. Cat's gonna freak out once I start pushing this igniter. Ha ha ha! Holy cow, he did it. Usually he, what the hell's grabbing me? I felt like somebody just grabbed my side. Huh. Come on, fire up, bitch. There we go. Took a bit. Or she's cooking with gas now. Now I'll turn the middle one on just to send that flame all the way around. Then I'll turn the last one on. Ignite that. Then I shut this off. Shut this one off. Get you down right about right there. Let's see, why does it look so... But right there should give me 270. So we'll just shut her down. I had to double wrap that tin foil because I wrapped up the parchment paper, put the first layer of tin foil on, and it freaking ripped along the side. I don't know why. I mean, it's Reynolds. It's not the freaking great value shit. So anyways, once it gets up to temperature, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, it took about 20 minutes to get up to temperature there. So right about 370. That's where I'm going to keep it. I may turn it down a little lower. But we'll just let her rock there. I don't know, I'll give it maybe 4 hours. I'll check the temperature. So, all right, be back. All right, YouTube, so it's been, I don't know, 3 hours and 45 minutes. I'm using a digital thermometer. First time I ever owned one of these was like a month ago with the corned beef I was doing, which I'm going to do that next. I mean, not today, but just to make sure of the temperature. So chicken's supposed to be like 165. I'll tell you what, this shit smells good. Try to find a... Ooh, it's hot. I don't want to, oh, I'd say this well good. Let's try another one. Oh yeah. I'd say that's done. So next thing I'm going to do is shut the heat off, let it sit here for a little bit, and Then we'll open it up, check it out. All right there, bitches. See you in a couple minutes. All right, let's take a look at it. It's been sitting for about a half an hour. Brought a glass thingamajiggy out here, as you can see. Let's see how she looks. Hopefully it's going to be worth spending all that time and effort on. Time and effort. Oh. Oh man, it smells good. That freaking Sylvia's chicken rub. It smells freaking awesome. Booyah! Look at that shit. Yummy, yummy. It's still pretty freaking hot as hell. Let's see if I can bust in. Man, it just freaking balls apart. Holy cow, it's hot, hot, hot. Oofa. It smells freaking awesome. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see me. That's some primo shit. Oh yeah, man, it's hot. Holy crap. Oofa. This is barbecue sauce. It's not blood. So, but whatever. It's still hot enough. All right, anyways. So there you go, man. If you're like me and you don't want to be stuck inside and you're lazy, you want to enjoy the beautiful outdoors, you want to drink a few beers, have some smokes, watch some mountain biking on the freaking TV, pretend like you're getting exercise, reliving your youth, there you go, man. It's the way to do it right here. Freaking just throw that shit in there frozen and sit on your ass, watch mountain biking, and pretend you're getting exercise. All right. Well, that's it, man. Probably could have gone a little less, but whatever. Don't matter. First time I ever tried this. And it's turned out very, very good. Have another piece. Now I gotta save the rest for when Mama gets home. That way she can't bitch at me anymore about not cooking. There, like, take that. Take that. Shut up. All right, that's it, man. See ya, bitches. Oh, I'm gonna be doing a corned beef on the grill. They turn out freaking awesome. Not today, though. See ya, bitches.